Hello friends, today we are learning formal and informal words. If you like this video, please subscribe.
Avoid, evade, ask, inquire, ask for, request, a bit, a little, anyway, nevertheless, a lot of, numerous, buy, purchase, bad, negative, beat up, assault, better, improved, breakdown, fail, check, verify, come after, follow, choose, select, call on, visit, clear, transparent, dad, father, dare, challenge, deal with, handle, describe, depict, deem, instinct, end, finish, eager, avid, enough, sufficient, end, terminate, empty, vacant, friendly, amiable, free, liberate, fight, combat, get, receive, get out, escape, go, depart, good looking, attractive, give, donate, go up, increase, good, positive, here, present, help, assist, hopeless, futile, hurt, damage, idea, notion, job, occupation, keep, preserve, kidding, jesting, kids, children, look up to, respect, look at, regard, lucky, fortunate, let, allow, look for, seek, live, reside, make up, fabricate, mainly, principally, mad, insane, mend, repair, need, require, next, subsequently, old, elderly, older, senior, over at an end, payback, repay, put in, insert, pick up, collect, put up with, tolerate, point out, indicate, remove, eliminate, refer to, consult, reach, wealthy, round, circle, right, correct, say, express, stop, cease, say no, reject, see, observe, say sorry, apologize. Test, experiment. Take out, remove. Thanks, gratitude. Tell, inform. Tough, difficult. Use, utilize. Wood, timber. Wrong, incorrect. Wait for, await. Want, desire. Worse, inferior. Young, youthful.
Like, share, and subscribe.